Welcome back! Last week, you built an AI-powered job search system, tailoring resumes, crafting cover letters, and preparing for interviews. This week, we're shifting focus to your day-to-day work life. Week 4 is all about reclaiming your time. We'll use AI to handle the heavy lifting of research, planning, and meetings, freeing you up for strategic thinking and deep work. Let's get started. Session 4.1, Research and Analysis Made Easy. Imagine you're a busy professional with a stack of long reports to read, multiple options to compare, and decisions to make. Your AI assistant can digest all that information in seconds and give you exactly what you need. Let me show you 3 practical ways to use AI for research and analysis. First, summarizing long documents. Maybe it's a 20-page industry report or a dense email thread. Instead of reading every word, paste it into your AI with this prompt: Summarise this report in 5 bullet points for a busy executive. Paste content. You get the key takeaways instantly. You can then dive deeper into the sections that matter most. Second, comparing multiple sources. Let's say you're evaluating project management methods or software tools. Use this prompt. Compare these 3 project management methods. Create a pros-cons table. The AI will structure the comparison clearly, helping you make informed decisions faster. Third, extracting action items from messy information. After a long meeting or a rambling email chain, use this. Extract all action items from this meeting transcript with owner and deadline. Paste transcript. Suddenly, chaos becomes clarity. You have a clean to-do list ready to go. The pattern here is simple. Instead of reading and processing everything yourself, let AI do the first pass. You stay in the driver's seat, but you get there much faster. Session 4.2, Project Management and Organization. Now, let's apply AI to planning and meetings, 2 areas where time often disappears. For project planning, starting a new project from scratch is overwhelming. Use AI to build your foundation. I need to organize a company event for 50 people in 6 weeks. Create a week-by-week task breakdown with priorities and owners. You'll get a structured plan you can then refine and share. Worried about what might go wrong? Ask, what are potential risks in this project plan? Suggest mitigation strategies. Describe your project. AI acts as an experienced advisor, helping you spot blind spots before they become problems. Now let's talk about meetings, the biggest productivity drain in modern work. Here's an AI-powered workflow that transforms how you handle meetings. Before the meeting, instead of scrambling for an agenda, type your topics into ChatGPT. Create a meeting agenda from these topics: Q3 budget review, marketing update, client feedback discussion. During the meeting, open otter.ai on your phone or laptop. It auto-transcribes everything, so you can actually participate instead of frantically taking notes. After the meeting, paste that transcript into ChatGPT with this prompt. Extract action items and a brief summary from this meeting transcript. For follow-up, ask the AI. Draft a meeting summary email to attendees with key decisions and next steps. In this workflow, AI handles the administrative burden. You focus on the conversation and the relationships.